What's happening, everyone? Welcome to this video. My name's Hayden. In the last month just gone, this is January recording this, in December last month just gone, we did over 130,000 and tens of thousands of net profit in our UK account only, and we also sell it in the USA as well. So anyway, that's just getting the sort of credibility out the way. Now let's talk about this, what you actually want to hear. And the question is, if I was to start again, like going back like 4 years now, about 4 years I've been selling, this is exactly what I would do. Now, this is a 2024 updated video. I do these videos now and then, and they might change, and I've been honest about that. That's because the platform changes and my thoughts and opinions change as I grow and progress and make more money and all that sort of stuff in the business. So yeah, let's dive into this one. So this is exactly what I would do right now, okay, if I was starting again, like going back 4 years, okay. I would have a mix. Now, I would be doing part online arbitrage, part bundles, but I wouldn't be doing them necessarily in the marketplace that I'm currently in, which is the UK. I think if I was starting again right now, this is God's to honest truth from the bottom of my heart, I'll be finding the marketplaces that have got huge potential, huge marketplaces like Germany, like even India. You know, they've opened up their marketplace, the USA, all these big marketplaces. So I've got huge, untapped, unlimited volume of customers coming in. And this really, really does affect in things like competition on Amazon. The biggest problem with the UK market is that there's actually not that much audience. There is, it's a big marketplace, but it's not. I sell in the USA and the UK, and the USA audience just pretty much buy anything. Like, in my experience, the UK don't. Hey all, just a quick 20-second interruption to let you know that Sellerboard is sponsoring this video, which I'm really grateful for. There's actually a 2 months free trial to Sellerboard below. And guys, you know that I wouldn't promote anything that I don't use or have used in the past. And I've been using Sellerboard for many years now to track my profits and also to get reimbursements that Amazon owe us. It's an awesome bit of kit. Get the 2 month free trial below. Let's get back to it. It has to be a really good product, you know. Pretty good product. So I would find a big marketplace, and in that marketplace I would be doing online arbitrage so that I could get all of the benefits of doing online arbitrage like I do, like the Amex points, capital on tap points, top cashback and all that sort of stuff, so I can live a good lifestyle even just off the cashback you get. On top of that, I would then also do bundles, and then bundles would then be launched in them big marketplaces. Because when you launch bundles that are good, that you've seen an untapped potential, rather than doing private label where you see potential using helium-10 and that sort of stuff, and you have to import products from China and then wait months and months and months, and you know, you've got loads of other competition. If you can do a bundle in another marketplace and literally in a week or two you can get products in there and rinse it for everything it's got in a big marketplace where there's loads of potential in keywords that people just aren't filling, maybe you're going to sell your online arbitrage products, but just create a pack of 2 in a bundle, okay, or a pack of 3 if people are looking for multiple of them, or your bundle with something else like a complementary item. If you can start filling them gaps, launching like 1 or 2 bundles a week, okay, sounds like a lot, a week, or launch a bundle every other week, along with doing arbitrage in a big marketplace with loads of demand, it leaves you rooms for error, even if they're not that good, the products, right? Because the marketplace is so big and the demand's so high, if you can start filling them gaps. And then also the arbitrage just speeds things up as well, because bundles can be a little bit slow. Like me building my UK like first brand, which is, we're launching more private label ones at the moment, but my first brand, which predominantly does like bundles, it's great. And the profit's great compared to the arbitrage stuff we used to do in the UK. However, it was slow because when we launched a product, it would take a while to get sales, we had to get the PPC ranked and, you know, have to launch the products. Whereas when you launch a bundle in a big marketplace, you can get traction straight away. And especially if you're launching in keywords that haven't got that much demand, like you can in bundles, because generally with bundles, you're not looking for stuff that's got tens and tens of thousands of search. You can get success by selling 1 or 2 bundles a day with high profit. So you only need smaller keywords that don't cost that much in PPC. I'll be launching loads of them along with my arbitrage stuff, so it speeds up that process of you having a good high cash flow and profitable business. That's exactly what I'll be doing if I started out again, guys. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. The question is, are you going to subscribe?